Hi, I'm your Sanchita Shetty. Pizza 2 Villa. This is my second movie with the same banner. Before this, I have acted in Sudu Kavam, that's Tamil, and this is my first debut movie. It's getting released in Telugu, and I'm very excited. I'm very happy too. Because simultaneously it got released and here it's overwhelming response, and we didn't expect the pizza to Villa. It's going to be hugely appreciated in Telugu, and I'm getting a lot of recognition. And me and my friends, we're all my family. Everybody, we're happy. My character name is Aarti. Aarti is a Christian girl. You can see me like next door girl. You can relate it to any your college going friends, and it's like next door girl character. I really enjoyed the character because for me it's very special and unique character. The Aarti character is it's very easy to it's if you seeing on screen it's very easy, but in the entire throughout the character it will turn into the climax. That is the most difficult part I have while acting. I have put my complete effort, and I got a good output and good compliments from audience and press. While doing Sudakavam, I got this opportunity. They told me to do audition. So actually, I went and I did audition, and they have selected me. And I didn't expect so soon. I will get one more opportunity with the same banner, and I'm really glad. And thanks to C.V. Kumar sir and Gnana Velu sir. My co-star is Ashok Selvan. So Ashok Selvan is very flexible to work with him, and is a nice guy, is eager to learn everything, and is a fast learner also. And I was really enjoying I was really very happy to work with him. Deepans is a debut movie, and though it's a debut movie, he is really handled each and every character very unique way, and you can see on screen. Because each role have performed really well, and I'm really glad I got this Aarti role. Thank you so much, Deepan. I have played bubbly role and village get-up role, and little modern also. This is for me is actually again and again I'm saying a very special and unique role, because any actor can dream this role, because we don't get easily two shades role in one movie. So for me, I got very early, and I hope I performed well also. I think I got two projects in Telugu. Maybe it's going to start from next year. I want to act with so many all actors, but my special I like Mahesh Babu and Allu Arjun, and they're really very I kept watching from my college times a lot of movies, Athadu, and recently Arya 2 and all. I'm really enjoying watching their movies. Item song, this is very early to decide myself, because I have a long way to go, and I can experimental character I can do, because as of now I have been very lucky. I'm getting very different kind of roles, so I don't think so item number now. I'm not thinking about that now. Gossips and rumors, it's like for we should not break our head. So if it is really a genuine reason, so definitely we can speak about that, but it's not a genuine reasons is not there, just like that they wanted to do rumors. So really we should not break our head, I can say. My dream was, Arundhati I have watched, and I really liked Anushka's role, and in future if I'll get something female oriented subject, I can do this Arundhati. I'm doing a fashion designing course, and with my friends, I have associated with one boutique. I'm running a boutique in Bangalore. So simple. I occupy myself, and I'll go to dance class and do gymming. And whenever I get time, go watch movies, hang out with friends. Normal. Why you want watch Villa? Because you keep watching all kind of movies, like romantic and comedy and family entertainment, but thriller movies will come very less in a year. So hope you guys, whoever they want to watch thriller and suspense movie, please go watch Villa and with your family. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Everydaypopcorn.com. Keep watching.